Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Paulami. Today we are not creating anything, but I'm super excited to go for shopping to Dollar Tree and get our DIY stuff for Christmas. So let's go to Dollar Tree. Wow, finally we have reached and I can't wait to get inside. Dollar Tree is supposed to be the paradise for people who loves to create things and do DIY stuff. Okay, we are here now and the first section I see is the gift wrapping papers, and there are so many new designs this year. These are the stars and bells to wrap gifts. Oh wow, this is such a sweet treat bag. And this section is basically the gift bags, but I won't take anything because we are going to do our own DIY gift bags. Let me pick up the most important stuff, the scotch tapes and glue and other things to do my DIY stuff. And now we are in this section, 2020 section of new things which have come to Dollar Tree. So many beautiful ornaments, and I see there are a lot of new designs and new things this year. Like these balls are totally new, and but something which is depressing, I see most of them are picked up. So if you have not been to Dollar Tree, it's only second week of November and everything is picked up, so please rush. This is the section which is mainly for DIY. You can see the pom-poms, the felt trees, the felt Santa and snowman. So let me pick some pom-poms, and yes, there is snow. I would need them. Let me pick them. Wow, beautiful ribbons, and I would definitely need a lot of ribbons. And the designs are so beautiful. So let me pick few ribbons and the glittery mesh to create something. Let's see what I create. Okay, now we are in the wooden section, and I generally pick a lot of stuff for DIY gifts. They make wonderful gifts, and you see there are new things this year, especially the trays. I would like to pick some of them. We are in the floral section now, and I can't find the figs and frosted cones, so I believe I have to pick few of these flowers, and then would probably have to go to Walmart to pick few more. Okay, this is so new this year, wired jute cord, and I can pick few of them for making some tiny little wreaths. What we have here, okay, more ribbons, and I think most of them are picked up, so it's a little depressing this year. This is the glass section, and I would pick few of them to make some DIY stuff, especially the ornaments. And I think I have shopped a lot, so I have to rush. Okay, what is this? Window clings, so beautiful. Let me take few of them as they make beautiful stickers. And now I really have to do my billing because I have spent a lot over the budget. Okay, we are back. I've spent a lot, and few things I've got are the window decorations, which acts as great stickers. I've got 3 of them, and they are gorgeous, beautiful. Then I've got some doilies which I have picked up. 4 shadow boxes, and I've got one sign which I'll just use it in a different way. I've picked up these glass things which I'm going to make candles, and few candles, tea light candles, and these are the LED candles. Here you go, snow spray to frost few things. Okay, one more plain candle which I can give it as a gift and decorate it very nicely. One gift box. Okay, what else do I have? I really liked the buffalo print tablecloth which I've picked up for myself, and as I said, I have taken these wide jute cord and I'm going to make some tiny little wreaths, and for that I also have some tinsels, but these are stems. Okay, I've got the pom-poms, and I've got a lot of ribbons which I have picked up. Because you need ribbons all the time. And in ornaments, I've got some bows, bells, ornaments. Here are snow ones. These are really nice. Some adhesive stickers to decorate. Some self-adhesive gift tags, bells, some more bells, tiny ones. I've got the wooden trays, and I've got a lot of tinsel garlands of different colors. So I think I've got a lot of them. Still, I need to go to Walmart, and stay tuned because we are going to make so many beautiful Christmas DIY things. Thanks for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks, stay safe, bye.